right, 100% Talent Jamaica. I'm very proud of this show and I'm so excited. All right, so we're moving on to the contestants. Them, roll them out right now. Remember to keep the votes coming in. You know what I mean? Look for your favorite contestant and put in the vote for the contestants. Please and thanks. All right, so our next artist will be performing right now. Go by the name of Dozen. Yeah, Dozen. Oh, go on, brother.
Million dollar vice, pick up yourself, we are going easy, 100% talent. Every week we out here promote yourself, I promote the show. And we now have members to promote the music said, we can't forget ourselves. Each week, member for promote. Come out, look the vote them. Big up the competition said we. Yeah. They got reading the DJ Smokey.
Chopper record.
I remember say one nation, so big up on yourself. Well, here I go on. A couple subject yet she don't own a topic. No afraid did I run me know she woulda got it. Like crime coulda stop me know you woulda stop with the problem them inna the jacket. If she beg me a bills me nah search my pocket. Waste them time a year Jah know me no have it. Long time now me gonna dig up me closet. Me know I fear up the time look so tragic. Hey Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Dear Prime Minister, hey dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me sister. Prime Minister, hey dear Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Dear Prime Minister, hey dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me. Watch I know, when since butterflies start make honey to me, who we now have the most money? When since bees start love nectar, big up to every private sector, big up to hundreds so me get a job. Call me little sister, I'm a nah but I rap. Dear Prime Minister, dear Prime Minister, dear Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Prime Minister, dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me sister. Prime Minister, hey dear Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Prime Minister, dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me sister. Watch I know, I went since this start look does. Big up on yourself, 100% talent every time, Hey you Prime Minister, hey you Prime Minister, me a ball for my sister. Hey, that's a big up yourself. Hey baby, I tell you, very talented artist, bad singer, you know what I mean? Our General, Judge, our General. Does he,
Yeah. But artist doesn't. You always afford a message. You see me I deal with always a defend righteousness, always a defend a standard of living. You see me I deal a stick out a stand out for the poor. You see me I deal with them. Respect that and love that. You see me? At the same time I think that song they should be delivered with more aggression. Cause when we are talking about the Prime Minister and we are talking about Babylon system, we don't run joke, you know the thing go, we deal with them serious. You over them I deal with, so at them energy them want with the song. You see me? Cause the song itself potent, the lyrics potent, but we want the energy so we feel it. Cause when we talk about Prime Minister and a joke thing, you over them I deal with. So with that said, me give you a 7, same way.
Alright, thank you for that, Ara General. Yes, Nero Balisha.
Same thing, cause as we say, when it doesn't afford out, we can't expect nothing but this message from Dozen. You see me I say? So we'll give Dozen a 8 for that said way.
Thank you for that.
Yeah man, Dozen for the next president, yeah? Yeah man, the man political, music and I preach the righteousness, you understand what I say? And we love that cause we need to hear that, you understand what I say? And hope it fall upon the right ears too. You get what I say? So with that being said, your performance is upon the usual Dozen level, you understand? So we know Dozen vibes and we know Dozen level already, you understand what I say? So I could just give 1 8 on that one there.
Alright, that's a big up yourself, what you mean? Hey, the man reach out to the Prime Minister, They don't know a thing. All, as we say, 100% talent Jamaica. We're moving artists to another level. Big up all the judges and all contestants right now. Alright then. Hey, Portmore. We say we're excited. Talent show. Excited. Moving on to another performance right now. Go by the name of Ecstatic. Ecstatic. Hey, we say we're excited. Ecstatic. Hey, big up yourself, Ecstatic. Wagwan. Big up yourself. I want bad DJ this too, what you doing? Make Jamaica the world know where you have now. Make where you have. Lice.
You know it's ecstatic. Yeah, man, I don't know the thing, but we bring the vibes, you see? So I have to big up everybody over there. First of all, Master Bros, Nero, Iro General. Yeah, I may say everybody, you see me? DJ Smokey Million. Right there, so just drop it chop my general, because I don't know me come to talk to the girl them. Right there, so change up the swag a bit. No, listen. Every girl is, yo, get girl and make money and me a be. Thump up them girl body like Mohammed Ali. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Listen me. Yeah, let me tell you this. If you are no gal, so get beat bad. Pretty sexy girl and my type, I want to keep bad. Enough boy can't manage a tickers back week bad. Man a fear teach, make them learn. Leapfrog from she get the real card. Praise me like a Greek god. Stab up the meat bad. She love her GG swag. Cologne a kick like sneakers. Girl a give me ticky like Nike and stripe like Adidas. Enough boy girl a check the dan. Me shift the sexy tongue, plug in like electrician. Rev it like a Christmas sun. Touch girl good. Use the lyrics, make me song. Me convert to lesbian. Me a the girl them leprechaun. You're bad like go-go one the pool, underneath a good like wool. Deal with the best like cinnamon roll. I know crap alone live in a hole. Touch you like me escape from prison and never get parole. Breathless like me take your soul. Come on a bedroom bully, not just today. From see me, give me start work. No say them a gallus, but we are on the turf. Cause it's not about the amount of gal how you do the work. Bully, not just today. From birth, see me, give me start work. No say them a gallus, but we are on the turf. It's not about the amount of. Listen me. Now so me never broke down pan a girl yet, but me know for redeem myself. Guineas and oats and peanut. She get lean up when man a beat to the belt. She run to the door, can't get no help. Hard stabbing, make she a melt. Turn it up, make the fire start. You know what me say so? Listen me, gyal a ball, gyal a beg, on the floor, on the bed, on the tip, on the edge, gyal a plead, gyal a pledge, gyal a run to the door, can find the key and not take the sledge. She say me sweeter than a nothing make bully, not just today. From birth, see me, she want give me start work. You say them a gyal is what how we are on the turf. Not about the amount of gyal how you do the work, man. Lysu, ecstatic.
Lysu, big up yourself, my G. You know we're going to have everybody moving right now. Me I tell you the whole place. So you're excited. Hey, today, Boulay. Here's Boulay. All right, moving on to our judges right now. Nero Balisha, what you think about his performance just now? Ecstatic
always doing thing in sense of him energy always up as if him perform for a live audience outside and like the arena said way. Zine. But that singer, I never dare hear some of the lyrics them. That still don't mean nothing still because me hear majority out already. I was a fast part and they're going to a fast part now. I'm like better run out and thing. You see me? But where do it go? You happen to it too. See, but with that said, still me give him an 8. You know what I mean? But in delivery, everything for me alright on point.
Big up Nero, you mean Bruce?
Yeah man, ecstatic. You step it up a level a week. You understand what I say? Yeah man, song well potent, full of lyrics. I don't know so much lyrics all in a one song, you understand? Remind me of one Jamaican version of Eminem. Yeah man, so you have to get a 10 for that. Is what I say? Wicked piece of effort you push out today. Energy high.
Alright, big up yourself, my boss. Hey, the one there remind me of one of the Vibes Cartel song them. Hey, the original Gallus. Original.
Yeah, yo, boss. Big up yourself, $1 million voice. Bados. Ecstatic, bad artist. You see me I deal with? Yeah, song. Wicked song, you see me? Gallus song, you know. We read the lyrics in the song, you see me? But me think it shouldn't be delivered better. As how me know Ecstatic as a bad artist, I've seen him delivered much better on this platform numerous amount of times. This is one of the worst deliverance from Ecstatic because the rhythm itself from him start, him have even when him start him half the rhythm, him have to say turn it up if you don't dare pay attention, he overs and then him catch back the rhythm. He overs what me I deal with. So me think it should have just delivered better. You see me? But the lyrics are chopped, so are 7 same way, you see me?
Alright, thank you for that. Our general 100% talent Jamaica moving on this to another level. Ecstatic, pick up yourself. Hey, the man say my girl is, you know, like they chop them like peanut. Something like that, them lean up. 100% talent Jamaica, we like one go and moving on to another great performer. I think this artist is a good singer too, you know. You know what I mean? Go by the name of Brina. Hey, Brina, make your way to center stage. Brianna. Yes, Brianna. Thank you for that, Brianna. Hey, Brianna, come out today. Yes, Brianna. All right. Let's do this right now.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say, they were never true, and the game you play, you would always win, But I set fire to the rain, what it poured as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. Sometimes I wake up by the door, can't help myself but call for you. Even though we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. Ooh, fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it burned while I cried, cause I knew that was the last time, oh no, let it burn, let it burn, let it burn.
Yes, Brianna. What a way you come out. Hey, moving on to our judges. First judges, Nero.
Baby, which part of your body hurt you right now? Me see a whole lamp on your neck, you know. me see a whole lamp on your neck. But you're always a contestant that have a very good voice. You have a very, very good voice. And I think this song fits you. The song here fit you. You're going with a bag of things you do. So with that, I give you a 9 for that still. The 1 point where you miss are the usage of the stage. While you're performing, do remember you're not inside your house. Eminem sing a song, lose yourself, listen to that song. You only have one chance. But we are 9 for that. Big up yourself, Brianna.
Alright, Nero Balisha, thank you for that. Bruce, what do you think about her performance?
Yeah, excellent performance. The rendition was good. The voice was good because ironically it's a song this me listen to regular. You understand? Yeah, man. you get the original justice on that one, so may I give 1 9 on that one, alright?
Alright, thank you for that, Bruce. Alright, General, now him always alright. How am I right over there? Hold him
Yeah.
Alright, General.
Yo, boss, Brianna. Manners and respect. Give thanks for being a part of the show. You see me I did outfit attire fully up. You see me I did the song choice fully up. Me not tell a lie. Me love the song where you choose and love how you sing it. You see me I deal with. Really and truly you hit one note and you kinda crack a bit and you fell off of the rhythm one little part of one bridge. You miss one bridge. And me as a person who like original song. Me not really like cover version. But you do the cover version just. You get me I deal with. So with that said, me I give you 8, you see me?
Alright, thank you all the judges. I mean, hopefully to see you in the next round. Hey, may I tell you, big up Brianna. Hey, the rain is the only arena fall outside. You make the rain falling right now. 100% talent Jamaica. You don't know a thing go. I'm your host, $1 Million Voice. So we're moving on to another performer right now. Remember to keep the votes coming in. And if you think Brianna just sing for you properly, and you like her, put in the vote for all contestants. Alright, so moving on. Right now, Yai Ball. Yai Ball. 100% talent Jamaica. Yai Ball, what on? It's been a while, my bro. Where you dealing? Where you feeling that week?
God is good, man, and we come down already, man. You start to pray. One Yai Ball tonight in the building as you see it? Yeah, God is good. 100% talent again, and we come down now. I know every week I come. Me are responsible for Smaddy. I guess for that week, yeah, I'm responsible for the herbalist them. I start to pray. So you say the herbalist them, you know where it go. Alright. You know where it go. One herbalist and a family hear the voice. Yeah, dog. Alright, what I know, what make a weed that's so sweet. Me make me laugh and I laugh and I skin me teeth. Yeah, I make him fi eat. High grade making a pray like I invalid. High grade busting on my head so make me hide them red so can't stay up no more dog. Me want go my bed so bucket like a piece of bread so make my friend them all I met too. Can't stay up no more dog. Me want go my bed so like a brain. Me pray and a fret so like a brain. Me brain a fret so can't stay up no more dog. Me want go my bed so I'm before me sleep me have to burn the next big head so can't stay up no more dog. Me want go my bed so what these I'm smoking, not a joke thing. Purpose skunk bone clocks, not a coke thing. I great for your lungs that I'm not joking. It I keep you floating, Red Bull without wings. Anyway you see me brand me have a pound there. Straight forward to me thing, me no go round real. Coulda been a table, me no go round chair. I know the weed when me a smoke I make the sound. High grade busting on me head so make me hide them red so can't stay up no more dark. Me want go on my bed so broke it like a piece of bread so make my friend them all I met so can't stay up no more dark. Me want go on my bed so like a play my brain a flex up on my weed my brain I met so can't stay up no more dog but want go on my bed so I'm before me sleep me have to burn the next big head so level me. After my circle, look out, I look weed for buy. Him come and tell me him just I put weed for dry. I send a little piece come like an eagle eye. I tell me for try, make it reach the sky. First puff for me take me feel for fly. Me not British here way but me reach the sky. Make me sing in a one voice like Richie Spice. Send it and give me need the vibes. I create busting on me head so make me hear them red so can't stay up no more dog. Me want go on my bed so broke it like a piece of bread so make my friend them all I met so can't stay up no more dog. Me want go on my bed so like a play my brain a flex up on my weed my brain I met so can't stay up no more dog. Me want go on my bed so I'm before me sleep me have to burn the next big head. Can't stay no more. Yeah man, God is good. You know it come down in a man. 100% talent. Yeah ball turn up on the ground and see pray.
Alright, thank you for that, Yai Ball. Hey, I tell you the band go chronic, you know. Yeah, you know, smoking to the brain, so you know it go, you know. Alright, starting with Bruce.
Yai Ball. Cool, man. Well, same thing, you know. You deliver every week, you understand? You're up on the same level, you understand what I say? Yeah. We like that tune there. It has to say what it's supposed to say. If you have your high grade, you understand? Cool, man. Yeah, man. So it's a solid 9.
Thank you for that, Bruce.
Yeah, ball. Up you know. Alright, so with a weed song, the G, the metaphors I'm gonna catch me, you know. Similes I'm gonna catch me, you know. You understand? And wordplay. You understand? But me know say it's all you perform on stage, it have to just be cool. So I can't even to judge up on the performance back. Cause you just cool. Yeah. So with that said, big game a 9 also. Zin? Yeah.
Alright, our general. Yeah. Your turn, our general.
Yeah, ball. God is good all the time. You don't know it go weed song, ganja song. You see me I deal with herbalist song. You know represent for the herbalist them. You see me I deal with. Yeah, it's a potent song. We love the song. Me not tell a lie. You don't know. We love their metaphors and your similes them where you use. You see me I deal with. So with that said, it's a solid 9. You see me I deal with manners and respect.
Alright, big up yourself, yeah, ball. Hey, the body say, hey, God is good, you know. Hey, weed up in my brain, in me, yo, big up yourself, yeah, ball. I tell you, hey, the vibe is up right now. Oh, you mean 100% talent Jamaica. Moving on to another performer, go by the name of Keep Down. Keep Down, where you there? Ready up, bad bro. What go on? Where you doing? It's been a while now, you know, bro.
Yeah, man, there, man, I don't know. I read them, the G. hear me? Bike, money, girls, cars, be a rich girl, man a flirt with dog, big chain, round neck, fat German scars, big food, man a make think me earning small, money in a bank, me prefer that everything stack up and pack up, me no send a shop. Ice them a drip, where them men fresh till death, so the thing set funeral. Me no eat gal meat, me no cannibal. Gal when me touch say the thing tough, let the back. Inna the place where me grow, man a general tools them up, cold standard, never drop. Rich lifestyle, move from yes with your pig lifestyle. Oh, me so clean like me live nice sky. Air Force white like Jesus Christ. To life nice, me no feel like die. Henny in a cup and no weed I vibe. Don't this link you a idiot. Boy, I call pretty make your brain feel like I to sleep eyes yacht. Money in a bank, me prefer that everything stack up and pack up, me no send a shop. Ice them a drip, where them men fresh till death, so the thing set funeral. Me no eat gal meat, me no cannibal. Girl when me touch say the thing tough, let it back. Inna the place where me grow, man a general tools them up. Yeah, make money every day, no day na escape. Pocket food a dead face, we never look a next way. Me no play a diamond pa me chest beat aesthetic. What them say, if you don't get on, hey. A 10 in a it, you get the 10 grades. My friend na no brain and no in so we insane. All the big man them down to them afraid. Fire looking our faces so welfare. Bike, money, girls, cars, be a rich girl, man a flirt with dog.
Alright, the man say be a rich girl in my verses. Follow that son of my brother, keep down. Oh you mean me I tell you, our general. What go on? Keep that there, you know. Where am I going?
Keep him down.
How things look?
Keep him down. Big up yourself, my artist. You don't know you want to short beans them. You see me I deal with? Big up yourself, you see me? Represent for short race. Here what go on you now. The rhythm there. You choose the rhythm there, my God. Alright. Well, with that said, me I give you 6. No say a word. You see me I deal with because me hear the rhythm of me turn down and whatever. So me I give you 6. Man has a respect him then.
Alright, so
thank you for that.
Here I go now. With me, it's the type of song we sing. Alright, more want to be fair and honest, you know. You see, for any other platform, you understand? So when we tell you these things, you're not supposed to stop here, sir. Right? This is not something of a deteriorated inside, right? Or your personality, bro. This is not personal, never. You understand? You see, a DJ for rhythm like them, yeah? Hardcore, this I say, you know, right now, you know. Clothes and shoes and ear and chain and thing there. You want some smooth rhythm, bro. Where you can flow. You understand? So here we go. May I give you a 7 for that? Because of your stage performance and the fact that you're not eye contacting anybody here. You're looking down on the ground. That's a level of low confidence. You understand? It's a sign of low confidence that asks anybody in the music. Zine, so I give you a 7 for that. So more I see you forward next time I hear we have a deal next time, you know. So big up yourself.
Thank you for that words of advice, Nero Malisha. Yeah, bros.
Me that watch a performance and me pick out a 7 from start, right? But then when you reach on that last part, me see you take a look for a million and then you start perform. You see you give it a performance there from start. You could have picked up a 9. You understand what I say? But your lyrics on point and thing, but throughout the song you did kind of flat. Everything did up on one level. So you need to punch some of my line them. You get what I say? Punch them, you understand?
Alright.
Okay.
What do you mean?
Okay. So next time with better preparation, we're gonna get better performance. But just put more in our performance, cause your lyrics they're there already.
Alright, keep down, big up yourself, you're a bad artist. We know that. You know what I mean? Alright, so you don't know. Rhythm selection. You know, you go already, you know. Alright, Little Lantern, make your way to center stage. You know, we're running off the show. Alright then. 100 talent, excited. Me say the show, excited. What that artist here? Little Lantern, what you have forward with for the week? You know the thing going on. 100% talent Jamaica moving on to another level. What go on? Make the world know what you have now.
Alright. You know what? Yeah. A little lantern, you know. You know what? Babylon, well. Babylon system of it. Babylon system of back behind the wall. Babylon system of back behind the wall. And the poor people, yes, them a ball. Rich them a strive and the poor them a fall. Yes, a soon time for father roll call. One and for all, say the wicked a go fall. One and for all, backbiter a go fall. One and for all, Oberika a go fall. Rich man up a top a drink champagne and beer. Poor man who got what I want a equal share. Wait, me want a slice of the cake. You up some Babylon, them not teach you youth right. I teach them for fuss, I teach them for fight. I give them all gun and the whole rusty knife. Feed them walk and kill, rap take innocent life. True they want to see them back ears behind the wall. True they want to see the poor people a ball. One and for all, I go fall. One and for all, backbiter I go fall. Jaja give me strength and him give me the power. Give me 2 foot, that mean me can stand. Give me 2 and that me can eat up the floor. Give me a head, brains, knowledge and wisdom. Yes, overstanding, listen to the man. Babylon system of back behind the wall. Babylon system of back behind the bombing, you know.
Alright, the man say I'm bombing, you know. Big up yourself, little lantern. Hey, great one. Alright, starting with our general. Hey, you mean? Bombing man say what you mean?
Yo, Baz. A bombing, you know. Yo, Baz. Bombing. Big up yourself, my DJ. You see me, I deal with you out. You see me, little lantern. Big up yourself. Each week you forward and a far you forward from to come showcase your talent. And we have to really appreciate that because you show the 3 Ds them. Discipline, dedication and determination. You over me I deal with. You see me, so big up yourself. Go and do it same way. You see me, I think you could project a bit more. Because you flow up on the rhythm, you know. But you just need projection so we can hear what you say clearly. You over me I deal are better rhythm selection where it not so loud. You see me I did because them rhythm you have to aggressive. You over me I did and rough up them rhythm. So with that said, me I give you a 7, my general. Manners.
Thank you for that, our general. Yes, Steve Malisha.
So basically say everything I'm about to say is a 7 for me also. You see me? Big up yourself.
Thank you.
Yeah man, like a lantern, and 7 right across the board, you understand? Lyrics them better this week, and you're deep on the rhythm basically. You understand what I say? Yeah man, big up yourself.
Alright, little lantern, big up. Hey, the man must say go hard, you know. Yeah. Big up yourself, boy. Me I tell him, found a different energy, excited. Hey, but not with that. Alright, making our next performance right now. Yeah, Hyper walk one, make your way to center stage. 100% talent Jamaica, moving artists to another level. Hey, we say we're excited. Hyper, we're excited. And we have for this week, my brother. You know a thing going on. Bad artist this too, you know. So do your thing, my G.
First, want apologize to the judge, you know. Yes, I never get to make it an interview and think, you know. They sick out and thing, you get me? I said thing, man. Yeah, but we're up now, you know. Yeah. Race! Yeah. You see that song here now? About what going on in the world today, you get me? Cause this are going, you get me? Alright. Every day man a dead, pay blood a shed. Man a bust copper, man a bust lead. Man a use knife a cut off gal head. Man a lie down in a bed. Why Barney can't stop bad mind Fred? Why we can't share the food, every man get a bread. Me not do them nothing, but them want see me dead. When you're looking at the road, I pay my spread. People a ball, people a beg. The way the time hard, the way the thing dread. Some now have no heart, some now have no head. Some now have no food, some now have no shadow. We can't live in a love and guide the children. El King Selassie protect the children. Night and day watch over the children. The youth are the future, so love the children. But it's just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. It's just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. It's just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. It's just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. Alright. she's all alone just searching for love. She tell me say she wish she could fly like a dove. And I one day if Jehovah now show her no love. And enough time she want to take her life with that slug. She got no one to talk to and no one to hug. And I'm mother tune at the bushes just like a crug. So she grew up in the rail with no one to love. That's why she start bleach, that's why she start rub. But you're just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. You're just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. You're just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. You're just a lonely boy. Yeah. Race.
Alright, the man say, risk you know, I tell you. Lonely boy, lonely girl, always searching for love. Big one from the man, Hyper. Alright, our first judge right now. Bruce. We're going to start with Bruce first. Bruce, what do you think about Hyper?
Yeah, man. Big up
excited,
Hyper.
you know?
Big up Hyper. You understand? You always come with some inspiring lyrics. You understand what I said? Different from the rest. You understand? Yeah, man. And your projection extremely well. You get me? So I'm going to give up 9 on the performance there. Wicked performance. Use up the stage well and everything.
Thank you for that, Bruce. May I tell you, New Abolish Hyper.
It's just the lyrics for me still. You know what I mean? I don't know how much person in here so yeah, listen in depth to what I still. As I say, but for the first me ever hear say something where really deep, bro. You see me? And for the little incident that happened to you on the last show, bro. I do what you have to do and go up on this show and do your thing, bro. Under so much pain. Never normal. It's a solid 10 for me, my lad. You hear that? Yeah, man, for real, man. Big man thing. Yeah.
Thank you, Nero Balisha. May I tell you, Hyper is a good look. Alright.
Yo, Vaz. Risk. Yo, Vaz. Bad artist. You see me I deal with? Bad artist. And you talk about Hyper. Bad artist. Love the message. You see me I deal with different type of message. Deep. You see me I deal with? Yo, Vaz, and we love and respect the message. One part in the song about the bushes. One part. Yeah, flip it real fast. They say, you know. You see me? The part they flip fast, but you know where you say. You see me I deal with, but it never pronounced properly and come out clearly as how you want it to. You see me I deal, because me I listen to everything where you say. You over your projection pan key. What more want you for do, bro? More you change up your voice because you can do it. Go medium high, active, you see me? And everything good. Otherwise everything good. A solid 9, my God.
Thank you for that. All judges, big up on yourself. Hyper. Hey, may I tell you, hey, what you say? She's just a lonely girl. That is a lonely boy. I love them need the man say. Understand the man say? Yeah. A big song. We like it. It have a buzz. You know what I mean? Yeah.